put your hands together with us. Because times people say they know, but they really don't know. Listen here. Nobody knows about my ups and my downs.
Nobody but Jesus and me.
Nobody knows about the sorrow that's in my heart.
Nobody but Jesus and me.
But He'll
work it out.
I declare He will
Work it out.
Yes, He will
Work it out.
Oh,
Work it out.
people say they know what I'm going through, but the truth of the matter is they don't know what I lost or I've been through. But I know a man, he sits high and he looks low, y'all. He sees my situation and he's working on it just for me. Oh,
Work it out.
oh, yeah.
Work it out.
Yes, He will, yeah.
Work it out.
I know He will,
Work it
yeah.
out.
Look at him. People say they know what you going through, but the truth of the matter is